Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Waves of Mathematics. This is Poonam, your math teacher, and today we are going to another question of Olympiad. So in this question you can see the square root of 2 raised to the power 6 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 1 raised to the power 5 and 5 power is n. So there is power to power rule we are using. You can see here the question is power to power. So how to solve this type of question? First of all, we will assume this 5 raised to the power n is 5 raised to the power 9 is equal to a. Let me suppose this is any variable a. So after that you can see 2 raised to the power 6 is as it is, power 2 is as it is, 1 power as it is, and this 5 raised to the power 9 we will write the a. Okay, after that we will assume this 1 raised to the power a is equal to 1. Any number we will assume. Then you can see the result is 2 raised to the power 6, 2 raised to the power 6 and 6 raised to the power 2 and 2 raised to the power this 1 power a. 1 power a will assume the 1. So we'll write here 1. After that everybody knows 2 power 1 is the 2. Okay, so instead of 2 power 1 we'll write 2 raised to the power 6 and 2 power 1 we'll write only 2. Okay, after that you can see 6 square. 6 square is equal to 36. 6 square is equal to 36. So we will write, instead of 6 power 2 we'll write 36 here. 6 power 2 is equal to 36. Now everybody knows if the root of any number, the value of root, suppose any number is x, root of x. So how to write in another way? X power 1 by 2. Similarly we'll write instead of this root 2 raised to the power 36 whole power 1 by 2. Now we are using the law of exponent rule. A power m whole power n. Power to power rule says a power, these powers are multiply m n. So we'll multiply 2 power 36 multiply by 1 by 2. So it will cancel out by 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16, 2 raised to the power 18. Now everybody knows 2 raised to the power 18. We'll write this 2 raised to the power 18 is 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 is, can we write again the law of exponent if a power m plus n. So we'll split this powers separately with a power m and a power m like this. Similarly we are using this here 2 power 9 and 2 power 9. Okay, now after the 2 power 9 everybody knows 512 into 512. So your answer, if you multiply easily 512 into 512 you'll get the answer directly. Multiply by 512 and 512, and otherwise we are using the identity. So can we write 500 plus 12 and 500 plus 12? So these terms are repeated, so we'll write 500 plus 12 whole square. So by using the rule of identity, a plus b whole square, identity says a square plus b square plus 2ab. So your a is 500 and b is 12. So 500 a square is 500 square plus b square is the 12 square plus 2ab. 2 means a means 500, b means 12. So after that 500 square is the 2500, 4 times 0, plus 12 square is 144, plus see 12 5 is 60, 62 is 120, and there are 2 zeros more, and if you add these terms you'll get 26144. This is your final answer of this term. Okay, so hope you have understood this question, and if you like this video, like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching.